Good afternoon, hoodies, and welcome back to the Hood Table one more again. It's time for another The Hood Table podcast with your girl Tanya. And today we're going to be talking about something that has been circulating around social media lately. It was actually an invoice that somebody had posted on Twitter because somebody did not attend a wedding that they had did a RSVP to. So the wedding couple actually sent them an invoice for $240 for them doing a no call, no show. Now I'm going to show you guys this picture. Let me pull it up real quick. Okay, you guys, that is actually the wedding picture. And let me put my little scrolly thing up there. Yeah, I want to make sure I'm not covering the bottom there. Okay, make sure my scroll isn't going across the bottom so you guys can see it clearly. So you can see the entire invoice there. At the top of the invoice, it says Doug and Deidre wedding reception, Royalton McGraw. Now, if this is truly a real invoice from a real wedding, there is a company in Negril that does weddings. It is in Jamaica. As you can see on the top of the invoice, it says no call, no show guest. It has the invoice number, it has the invoice date from August 21. And due date, it says they're giving them till 9/18/21. Did the missing parties actually pay this invoice? I don't know. But in the description of the invoice, it says wedding reception dinner no show, unit price $120, quantity two. I'm sure that's for two guests. Any amount was $240. Now, if you can see in the real small print there, it says this invoice is being sent to you because you confirmed seats at the wedding reception during the final head count. The amount above is the cost of your individual seats because you didn't call or give us proper notice that you wouldn't be in attendance. This amount is what you owe us for paying for your seats in advance. You can pay via Zelle or PayPal. I think that's Zelle. Is that Zelle or PayPal? Please reach out to us and let us know which method of payment works for you. And then at the bottom it says $240 subtotal, $240 total, and $240 balance due. Now, I just wanted to take a poll and see what you guys think about this or how you feel about this. Do you know anybody else who has done this to guests that did not attend their wedding after they did fill out the RSVP? Or is this something that you would probably do at your own wedding for people who might do a no call, no show after you done already prepaid for their meal? Please let me know what you think about this. A lot of people is talking about this right now, and again, I don't know if this is if the people paid for the invoice, and we don't even know if this is maybe like a hoax. Sometimes things just go around the internet, and it's actually a hoax. But even if it is, I still would like to take a poll on this because I never considered this being done to a party because me personally I have RSVP to certain events, not to a wedding and did a no call no show, but I have done it before, and then just something came up, you can't go. And then if you look at the date that the invoice was sent out, which was in August, we know around that time that's when the Rona numbers started going back up. A lot of people started staying home and stopped traveling, for some time. So we don't know if it was something to do with the pandemic that stopped the people from wanting to go to Negril, Jamaica, or something else personal why they couldn't go to the event. But regardless, let me know what you think about this. Do you agree with the couple that sent the invoice out? Like, would you send a bill to a no show wedding guest? Yes. Let me know if you think yes. Don't people know that weddings cost money, lots of money? Or no, like no way, but it'd be nice to get a heads up. Or no show, no notice, no problem. Couples should be prepared for anything. Let me know which one of those you agree with. Yes, no way, or no show, no notice, no problem. couples should be prepared for anything. I would really like to know how you guys feel about this hoodies on this Wednesday afternoon. Um, we'll probably be discussing this live as well on our Friday Night Live show because again, I think it is a good topic. Me personally, uh, I know that weddings are very expensive, and then this one was in Jamaica. So very expensive, and I guess I would feel some type of way if somebody RSVP'd and didn't show up because you are paying for a meal that didn't get eaten. But as far as sending out an invoice to my guests, I don't know if that's something that I would do. Again, I just want to hear from you guys. Yes, no, or it is what it is. Married couples should expect things like that to maybe possibly happen. They should be prepared for anything. Let me know, hoodies. Let me know how you feel. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to the Hood Table if you're not already subscribed. And also make sure you follow us on our other platforms. We have a second backup channel on YouTube. It's called the Hood Table 402. So make sure you sign up for that channel as well. That is our backup channel. And we are on Twitter, Facebook, IG, Snapchat, and TikTok as well. And don't forget, we also have our own personal website, thehoodtable.com, where you can become a member. And don't forget, you can also become a member on the Hood Table YouTube channel, our main YouTube channel. You can also become a member. It's only $1.99 per month. Not too bad, not too high of an amount to become a member, an official hoodie of the Hood Table. So if you want to become an official member, please feel free, and you get special perks when you do become a member of the Hood Table on our YouTube channel. And on that note, everybody, stay safe, be blessed, remain vigilant at all times, and always never forget to keep it hood. Bye.